If you've got an AirTag and you want to set up and use it with your iPhone 16, let's check out how you can do that. So before you set up, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are enabled or turned on. Also, location services enabled. For that, go ahead, open up settings, scroll down and enter privacy and security. From there, the location services, make sure it's turned on. And also open up Find My and make sure it's selected to while using the app, and also precise location option is enabled. And lastly, you can just search for Find My app and make sure it's set up properly on your iPhone 16. If everything is set up, and if you bring your AirTag near to your iPhone, you're supposed to get a setup pop-up. If you're not getting it, simply lock your iPhone for a couple of seconds and then unlock it once again. You'll get that pop-up. When you do, just press on Connect. Now from this list, you can just go ahead and name your AirTag. It's more like which purpose you are going to use it, especially if you got multiple AirTags. You can also go ahead and give it a custom name. Now after that, you'll see it's connected to your Apple ID that's logged in with your iPhone 16. Just press on Agree. These are all the functions that you can perform with your AirTag. I'm going to just press done and let me show you how you can track your AirTag with your Find My app. So if you open up Find My and go to Items section, you'll see the name of your AirTag. So let's say I'm putting this AirTag inside my purse. And now somehow I can't remember where I left my purse. So if I just tap on this, I can either tap on Play Sound, and my AirTag will start playing this sound. All I gotta do is just follow the sound and find it. If you can't hear the sound, just tap on this Find option and then just grab your iPhone 16, follow the direction it's pointing. Just check out if it's showing hot or cold. You'll get to see how far you are from your AirTag, and you'll be prompted when you are near your AirTag. Just go ahead, follow the directions, and you can find your AirTag by this way. And that's pretty much how you can set up and use your AirTag with your iPhone 16. Thank you for watching.